Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. So today's exciting because I am going to straighten my hair today, which is something I haven't done in quite a while. And I am going to use a new brush dryer from PLAVOGUE. They sent this to me and like, hello, this is gorgeous. Like, you guys know I love my Revlon one-step dryer. Love it. My daughter uses it like every single day. So when I got this, I was like, yeah, now I can have one on my own, because if she's moving out soon, I'll probably let her take it because she uses it more often than I do. I really, I rarely blow my curls out, but I'm very excited to try this. It is similar to the Revlon. It has the finger holder here. I don't know if that's even what it's for, but I feel I use it. It has the retractable cord, which is key to drying your hair if you have a lot of hair like me. So it's off, cool, hot, and really hot, which sometimes you just need that really hot shot to get it nice and straight. And it's just gorgeous and beautiful, and I can't wait to try it out. It also comes, which I find amazing, it comes with a travel universal adapter. You don't get that often with any products that I get, at least, and that's always annoying. Because like if you're traveling, oh, I gotta go buy that. And we do have the adapter, but more than one would be helpful. So I think that's great. And the product I'm gonna use today is something that I got from the US Look Fantastic website. I had showed you guys. This is Frisbee Gone by Giovanni. And again, my daughter's been using this too, and she's been liking it. Super smoothing anti-frizz hair serum, cruelty-free, vegan infused with natural botanical ingredients. Directions: rub a few silky drops onto palm of hands and evenly distribute throughout wet or dry hair. May be used with blow dryer for straightening. It doesn't say it's for straightening hair, but that's what I'm going to use it for. And what's exciting is all the times that I've straightened my hair out, I think I've always had lighter hair. If you saw my last video, you saw that I colored my hair a little darker, just like warmed it up. So I'm curious to see how it's gonna look with it straight. My hair always looks lighter. I think anybody's hair always looks lighter when you blow it out. If you have curly hair as opposed to straight hair, it always looks lighter when it's blown out straight. My hair, at least. So I'm curious how this color's gonna look. I'm a little worried because it might show if I did a bad job. Just thought of that. Okay, well, let's get into it and find out. Okay, I'm gonna put some drops on here. I'm putting more than they're telling me because I have a lot of hair, so I'm just kind of used to it. I know I'm not putting it all in. I might not need it all. I put most of it in my palm here, but then I put it on my fingers, and I just kind of use my fingers to work it through. Okay, I think that is a good amount. When I blow my hair, I don't like to use a lot of product. It's like the opposite of when my hair's curly. I like to start with my back first, because if I split my hair in half and do this side and this side, that center just doesn't look so good. So I like to start with the center and kind of blow this as one piece, if that makes any sense. So now I'm going to start sectioning my hair. I'm just using clips that I have nearby. I think I divided this okay. I'm going to divide this into top and bottom. Not perfect line, it's okay. And I'm going to start with the bottom piece. And I need one more clip. Okay, I'm back. Had a little camera issue. Ran out of room, but all good now. And my hair is practically dry. I just put a little bit more in the back here. All right, let's get styling. I'm just gonna stop for a quick second. Look at how beautiful that came out. No effort at all. So far, I'm crazy impressed. So let's continue. One side done, and it's not even 10 minutes later, so wow, I can have straight hair more often. Okay, let me finish up. Wow, guys, hair is styled. It took a whole 15 minutes, which is a little less, or maybe about, I'll just say the same as when I dry my hair curly. It came out beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful. Look at the waves you can get simply twirling it. You saw how I did it. You saw how easy it was. I'm gonna say it. This was just as good. I don't know if I should say better, but I love this. This worked, but I'm gonna say this is just as good as the Revlon brush. I said it. And I'm not saying it because they sent it to me. Because if this didn't work, I would say it. And I don't even have to say it because you saw me do it. I made the video. I blew my hair out for you guys. You saw how easy it was. I like my color too. What do you guys think of my color? I kind of feel like in Sex and the City movie when Jessica Parker colors her hair dark and she's in the hairdresser and she flips her hair and it's dark. And I gotta be honest with you, I'm like, no, I like it better light. So I'm hoping that that's not what people see. I like it because it's a different color. It's something different. We all like a change every now and then. I like it. Smooth, beautiful, easy, easy, easy. And having curly hair, that's not an easy thing to do, is blow your curls out. Let me tell you something. Ever since these brushes came out, I'm like, I can have straight hair. So you saw how easy it is. You saw how lovely my hair looks. And I'm gonna tell you something too. What I love is, even though it's some heat, of course you're putting heat on, and I went to the full highest heat because it just makes my hair easier to dry, and it really sets it good. But you could see it's not terrible heat because I don't have any like hair sticking up. Every time I used to go get my hair blown out, they did an amazing job. but it's because they really put that dryer with the brush to my head, which basically burned a lot of my hair off because it was just too hot. I don't have any flyaways like that. I have no burnt hair because the heat didn't even bother me. Sometimes, even with the Revlon, I'll say if it gets too hot, I have to go, it's too hot. This gets hot enough to give you the perfection you need, but it's not burning your hair. I didn't even see smoke. You usually see some smoke. I didn't see that even. Look how full my hair is. And wow, I guess this product is really good too then, because I love it. I really love the way my hair looks, feels, etc. Look at this. Oh my God, I love the color. I love it. Okay guys, so you saw it. You saw me use it. Awesome, awesome product. Awesome. Okay guys, I'll do a final check-in later if you want. We could see how well it came out. Going out to dinner tonight, so that's exciting. And yeah, so it's gonna stay in, I could tell, but I don't know. I'll just check in with you because that's what I do at the end of the night and see how well it lasted. Extremely, extremely impressed with this product. And it's beautiful to look at. It really is. It's white and gold. I mean, I'm so excited. So this will be mine. And maybe you'll see more straight hair coming out for me. More straight hair videos. Who knows? Let me know if there's a straightening product you want me to try. Like, you know, something that helps straighten your hair. Okay, so guys, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, I came out here to get some fresh air. Someone's cleaning up. Someone's knocking on the door. Let me go get her. Come here.
That is steak.
I definitely sit in my room too much. Wow, it's actually cold out. I need a sweater.
Yes, come on.
But my hair looks good, honey. Do you like it?
I love it. Let me see.
He usually doesn't like my hair straight, and I don't know if he even likes it dark, to be honest. But it's a
Something
change.
different right now.
It's the fall. You have a different woman with you now. I like it, so I think it's gonna last. We're just hanging out, and I'll get back and check in at the end of the night and show you that it lasted. If it lasts, I think it will though. I can tell it will, because it's gorgeous out. It's gorgeous out. Oh my God, it's like really nice out. Okay, and I'm gonna get back to work. I did want to tell you that my new obsession for a late lunch, because I do intermittent, so I don't really eat until, I try to push it till 2. If I could push it to 2:30, that'd be even better. Sometimes at 12:30, 1 o'clock, I'm like starving. But I'm usually pretty good. And I've been making these shakes, which is a BioTrust collagen powder, protein powder. I'll link it below if you're interested. I've been using BioTrust. This is not a commercial, but I have been using BioTrust for many years when I make shakes. And this is a different protein powder that they had, which I thought would be good. So I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I feel like I'm having a chocolate shake, but it's chocolate flavor, and I put a banana, and I put peanut butter and yogurt in with ice and water, and it's so good. Well, I came upstairs because that yellow jack was pretty much attacking my computer and it couldn't work. I look like a different person, don't I? It's really weird. My hair color, it's straight. Like, who am I? Who am I? Looks good though. I really like the color. I hope you guys like the color. Look at me, and I have my sweater on because I'm literally freezing in here. Why is the air even on? It's gorgeous outside. It's like an air conditioner outside. Just open the windows. Argue with people here, I swear. All right, I'll see you later. I keep saying I'll see you later to check in tonight, and I keep coming in here and there. Back to work. Guys, I went out to dinner and I forgot to film it, but no big deal. It's still early. We still got, look, it's still light out. We ate with all the older folks. We did the early bird special, I guess you could say, but at the place we go, they don't take reservations, and it's one of our favorite places. So we go early because we don't care. We're old and that's it. But anyway, hair is looking amazing still. I had an espresso martini, by the way, guys, so I'm feeling good. But look at these beautiful waves, etc. I am going to close the video now because I think it's fair to say it's like, it's fair to say the hair is gonna last, and I might put it back because I'm going to hang out on the deck. So I'm gonna close this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am extremely impressed with this. You saw it for yourself. I don't have to try and convince you. You saw how good it worked. You see how great my hair looks. I also love my curl. I love my color. I really do love my color. It's different, you know? Okay, guys, I'm gonna say goodnight, and see, somebody's trying to sneak in. Let's see.